Hello, my name is Garrett Griffith. I am a technical writer on the documentation team here at cPanel, the hosting platform of choice. Today I'm going to show you how to disable AutoSSL notifications in WHM. AutoSSL is a cPanel and WHM feature that can automatically issue SSL certificates for any of your domains. These certificates secure communication between the server and people who navigate to your website. Most modern websites use SSL encryption, and most modern browsers will display a warning to users if the website does not use HTTPS and SSL encryption. cPanel and WHM can send a variety of AutoSSL related notifications, and you can enable or disable them in WHM's Manage AutoSSL interface. To toggle notifications, first log into WHM. The WHM Home interface will appear. Navigate to the Manage AutoSSL interface. The Manage AutoSSL interface will appear. Click the Options tab. Notice that there are 6 different notifications available. You can select or deselect each checkbox to match your specific needs. If you disable a checkbox in this interface, it will also disable the corresponding notification in WHM's Contact Manager interface and cPanel's Contact Information interface. I'll show you that in a minute, I promise. For example, right now all of the notifications are selected. The first checkbox enables sending a notification when AutoSSL cannot request a certificate because all domains on the website have failed domain control validation. Let's take a look at the corresponding option in WHM's Contact Manager interface. We can open a new tab, search for the Contact Manager interface. The Contact Manager interface will appear, and then click the Notifications tab. Here's the corresponding notification. AutoSSL cannot request a certificate because all of the website's domains have failed domain control validation. Awesome. Let's go back to the Manage AutoSSL interface and deselect the first checkbox and click Save. Excellent. If we navigate back to the Contact Manager interface, click Refresh, click the Notifications tab, and scroll down to that notification, we can see that the notification has been set to Disabled. Good job. This also disables and hides the notification setting in cPanel's Contact Information interface. To show you this in action, let's re-enable the first option in WHM's Manage AutoSSL interface, select the first checkbox, and click Save. Let's open a new tab and log into our cPanel interface. Now we can search for the Contact Information interface. The Contact Information interface will appear. We can see that the AutoSSL cannot request a certificate because all of the website's domains have failed domain control validation. Notification appears here. Let's go back to the Manage AutoSSL interface and disable the first checkbox and click Save. Back in cPanel's Contact Information interface, if we refresh the page, we can see that the option is no longer available. If we navigate back to the Manage AutoSSL interface and disable every notification and click Save, and then refresh cPanel's Contact Information interface, we can see that every AutoSSL notification option is no longer available for this cPanel user. The corresponding notifications in WHM's Contact Manager tab are also set to Disabled. This video showed you how to disable notifications in WHM's Manage AutoSSL interface. If you deselect a checkbox and click Save, the server will no longer send notifications for that particular issue. If you disable the notification in WHM, the cPanel user will not receive that notification and the option will be hidden in their Contact Information interface. For more information about cPanel, your hosting platform of choice, visit our website at cpanel.com or follow us on Twitter at cPanel. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Good job.